Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Ashrina Ashraf and you are watching Ashraf's channel. My today's video is all about COVID-19 or coronavirus. I hope you all are familiar with the word COVID-19. The first question rises, what is COVID-19 or coronavirus? The answer is, a coronavirus is a kind of common virus that causes an infection in your nose, sinuses or upper throat. Most coronaviruses aren't dangerous. In early 2020, after a December 2019 outbreak in China, the World Health Organization identified SARS-CoV-2 as a new type of coronavirus. The outbreak quickly spread around the world. COVID-19 is a disease caused by SARS-CoV-2 that can trigger what doctors call a respiratory tract infection. It can affect your upper respiratory tract, that is sinuses, nose and throat, or lower respiratory tract, that is windpipe and lungs. It spreads the same way other coronaviruses do, mainly through person-to-person contact. That is why person-to-person contact is restricted due to COVID-19. Infections range from mild to deadly. Now, the second question rises, how long will the coronavirus last? We all read in newspaper and social media and in various mass communication also that there are many questions like how long will the coronavirus last? The answer is, it's too soon to tell how long the pandemic will continue. It depends on many things, including researchers' work to learn more about the virus, their search for a treatment and a vaccine, and the public's effort to slow the spread. More than 100 vaccine candidates are in various stages of development and testing. This process usually takes years. Researchers are speeding it up as much as they can, but it still takes 12 to 18 months to find a vaccine that works and is safe. Now, the third question rises, what are the symptoms of COVID-19? As it is very important to know to prevent from a disease, the symptoms of disease. The main symptoms include fever, coughing, shortness of breath, trouble breathing, fatigue, chills, sometimes with shaking, body aches, headache, sore throat, loss of smell or taste, nausea and diarrhea. The virus can lead to pneumonia, respiratory failure, septic shock and death. Many COVID-19 complications may be caused by a condition known as cytokine release syndrome or a cytokine storm. This is when an infection triggers your immune system to flood your bloodstream with inflammatory proteins called cytokines. They can kill tissue and damage your organs. If you notice the following severe symptoms in yourself or a loved one, get medical help right away. Trouble breathing or shortness of breath, ongoing chest pain or pressure, new confusion, can't wake up fully, bluish lips or face. Now the question rises, what to do if you think you have it? What will you do if you think that you have COVID-19? If you live in or have traveled to an area where COVID-19 is spreading, first step you should follow is, if you don't feel well, stay home. Even if you have mild symptoms like a headache and runny nose, stay in until you are better. This lets doctors focus on people who are more seriously ill and protects healthcare workers and people you might meet along the way. You might hear this called self-quarantine. Try to stay in a separate room away from other people in your home. Use a separate washroom if you can. The second step you have to follow is, call the doctor if you have trouble breathing. You need to get medical help as soon as possible. Calling ahead rather than showing up will let the doctor direct you to the proper place, which may not be your doctor's office. If you don't have a regular doctor, call your local board of health. They can tell you where to go for testing and treatment. The fourth step is follow your doctor's advice and keep up with news on COVID-19. Between your doctors and healthcare authorities, you will get the care you need and information on how to prevent the virus from spreading. Then the question rises, what are the prevention of COVID 19. How can we prevent ourselves from COVID 19, as the prevention is only the medicine for COVID 19? So, I am telling you some steps that you can follow to prevent yourself from COVID 19. The first step is wash your hands often with soap and water or clean them with an alcohol based sanitizer. This kills viruses on your hands. The second step is practice social distancing, because you can have and spread the virus without knowing it. You should stay home as much as possible. If you do have to go out, stay at least 6 feet away from others. The fourth step you have to follow is cover your nose and mouth in public. If you have COVID 19, you can spread it even if you don't feel sick. Wear a cloth face covering to protect others. This isn't a replacement for social distancing. You still need to keep a 6-foot distance between yourself and those around you. Don't use a face mask meant for healthcare workers. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.